Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to write a cover letter for your CV or your resume with ChatGPT. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to jump into ChatGPT, chatgpt.com. Here you can actually see that I've started a new chat, and simply what we're going to do is you are going to use this prompt right over here, okay? And there are a few key elements that you need to include. So the prompt reads, write me a cover letter to add to my CV or resume for a job title at a company that shows I am passionate about my industry and how I can contribute towards company values. I have X amount of years experience and my skills include. Now, of course, this is a template that you need to go and fill in the details for. And simply all you need to do is now send this message. And ultimately, you will come back with something that looks like this. So for me, I've written a cover letter to add to my CV for a video editor at a company name, which is VideoMax. And it shows that I'm passionate about content creation and I have 8 years experience. And here is the skills that I have included. Now, this is just for example purposes, but ultimately this is what we have gotten. Okay, so we've got all of our personal details. Then we go hiring manager, VideoMax, dear hiring manager. And here is a cover letter. However, this cover letter is not complete. So what you need to do now is take this cover letter, open it up in another document. You can open it up in Microsoft Word. You can even open it up in your notepad in your on your computer and go and read through it. Personalize it, make it human, and make it real. Touch up here and there to make it sound like your voice. Because just copy pasting this cover letter is not good enough. Go ahead and read through it and make sure that when you read it, it sounds like you.